Crownline Cabin Crusier for sale in Danville, Illinois 61834. Get ready to make waves with this impressive classic 1962 Crownline Cabin Crusier. Powered by a rebuilt 1969 Mercury engine that offers an impressive 125 horsepower, you can rest assured that this boat is eager to help you create memorable experiences that will last a lifetime. With less than 100 hours on this beauty, you can be sure that this boat will be around for many years to come. If you are an adventurous soul who enjoys fun in the sun, then you owe it to yourself to check out this quality crafted 1962 Crownline. It comes with great options and features that are perfect for anyone who enjoys life out on the water. Highlights of these features include: length, 19 feet, new PaintAll lights, WorkRadio hookup, extra stock Mercury motor that offers 90 horsepower, stock TrailerNew battery, new fuel cell, new steering helm, and so much more. This 1962 Crownline Cabin Crusier has been very well maintained and properly stored when not in use. Motivated to sell and ready to make your water-going dreams a reality? Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. This 1962 Crownline is in great condition and ready for its next adventure. Call today for more information on the fun that awaits.